Welcome to Florida. No!
I gotta
Oh my
climb up the
God.
ladder. I gotta climb it. No!
Oh my
No! Rousey! What? I saw Rousey just die, and then I got struck
Oh my-
by Zeus himself.
How is somebody supposed to survive this? Why is Kirby in our game?
Wait, I have that. I have that same skin. I have that same avatar.
So, yo, let's go to Skybox.
No, let's go Area 51. Area 51.
Is everybody dead? How did 2 people survive? How are you supposed to survive Florida?
Come on!
Yo, go to Area 51. Everybody vote for Area 51.
Remember that one time where
Yeah,
like,
Area 51.
I sensed the thing to people and then I was like, come on guys, let's go.
Yeah. I say every
I don't want to go to the floating isles.
I'll go Sky.
This is not Minecraft.
Azriel. I mean, no, it's.
Torio
Rousey,
chicken, take me to her
Son
home.
of Togo.
And beat me up with new monster car or phone to eat cheeseburger. Eat
No,
the
I'm gonna go in the
booger
house.
of the cheese.
Yo,
Ouch.
What do I talk about? Eat the booger of the cheese.
Everyone,
What?
let's go on top of the house.
No, I gotta get to the parkour.
Parkour.
Am I supposed to give out a tsunami?
The tsunami is come. Oh no!
Tsunami.
How do you get up there to cloud? Oh wait.
Oh my!
No!
I barely
killed
survived that.
I think I killed everybody because I pushed the button. I pushed the button and it blew up the map.
Why?
How
Griffin.
did you
Oh,
win?
not.
Grayson, I pushed the button on the back of the throne and the entire map exploded.
Yo, Boone C6.
Where?
No,
Where-
nuclear.
Come
No,
on.
airport. Everybody
Balloons
vote airport.
TV6. Balloons TV6. Right
Yeah.
now.
What do you mean balloons
Yeah, wait.
TV6?
No!
Balloons TV6.
The balloons TV6.
Oh.
Yo, it's the derby.
Next map, let's go to.
Oh god, there's
Alright,
landmines.
just use someone explode.
Let's go to. Alright,
There's
no,
landmines.
we're not going to high school. That's a normal map.
Isn't this movie like copyrighted? Isn't this song copyrighted?
Who knows? If I get caught.
Santa Claus has lost it. Oh no! What is Santa Claus gonna do? Drop a nuclear bomb on us? Oh god, he's dropping nuclear bombs on us!
What the?
Oh my god! This is so peak.
This happened to me.
Oh my god!
Oh my.
I got struck down by a candy cane! But I'm still alive. Never mind, I'm dead.
And then I just got exploded.
I said that and then I got struck by a candy cane. Everyone is dead. This game is so peak.
No, I'm gonna be flowered.
Hate it.
Oh no. Oh god, what happened to your body? Why did your body just do that?
Mega flowered.
God.
Hey, look,
Guys, I can make it.
flowered.
I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can't make it.
Be flowered. Hey, it's back.
Well,
Hey, it's mine.
why did it
Guys, go to
die?
Hawaii. Guys, we want to go to Hawaii.
Now we gotta go Antarctica.
No, there's nothing in Antarctica. Raven
Yeah.
Rock. Oh, this is peaceful.
Guys, we should
Yeah,
go.
orange.
Yeah, we should go. I'm about to.
I'm in the big house. Big house. Big house. Jerona. I swear to God, if it's a nuclear bomb one,
Ian, where are you going?
I'm on the roof. I'm low-key scared. Because I don't know what's gonna happen.
These guys.
No! No!
Hey, it's Patrick.
It's these guys! No! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
This one's just dancing. No, he's chill.
These guys are not chill!
Tell him we're just dancing.
Oh my.
Do a boogie bomb. Oh god.
Angel, leave me alone! Why are they just dancing? Ah! No, I'm dead! They were not chill!
One of them was dancing. And he ooh.
Wait, everybody vote cargo ship. Everybody vote cargo ship. Cargo ship is the best map.
Let's go.
Okay,
Let's
Reno.
do these shows up again.
Why is Springtrap a low quality here? This is not Springtrap.
No, he's
This-
being beat up.
This is not Springtrap.
Why is Big Trap here?
This is not Springtrap.
Trap.
He's in the center.
Hey, I won.
How did you survive? How did you
I
survive?
don't know. Speak trap, bro. I'm gonna fight Speak trap.
Yeah,
Just fight
hit it.
Why we said SpongeBob?
What's that word?
SpongeBob? I swear. No, vote cargo ship. Vote cargo ship.
No.
Yeah, it's cargo ship.